Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hope all are doing good. Like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon for latest notification of the upcoming videos. Do watch and comment for my videos. So we are into the topic of installment and we are done with 2 sessions, and in this session we will cover questions based on yearly installment, monthly installment and amount of debt. We'll first see the concept, understand the concept, and then we'll go with the shortcut. Okay, how to solve it very easily within seconds. We'll see that. Okay, yes. So here is our first question. Listen to the question carefully, okay? Raghu borrowed rupees 6,450 at 5% simple interest, repayable in 4 equal installments. What will be the annual installment payable by him? Okay? By reading the question, you will find that this is quite similar to the first session of installment, but there is a slight difference, okay? For your reference, I have given that question also here. That question is, what annual installment will discharge a debt of rupees 4,200 due in 5 years at 10% SI? So what is the primary difference between these two questions? In the first question, annual installment, that question, see, they have given the total amount, that is a debt of rupees 4,200 means the total amount that you will have to repay after 5 years, okay? But now in our question, see, Raghu borrowed rupees 6,450. So they have given only the principal and not the total amount after 4 years. You get my point? So first you will have to find the total amount. So listen to the question carefully and then answer it, okay? So find the simple interest. How you will find the simple interest? You know the value of P, N, R, right? So you can calculate using the formula, or see, 1 year it is 5%, means for 4 years it is 20%. So 20% of 6,450 if you do, you will get the simple interest as 1,290. So now you know simple interest as well as principal. So total amount is principal plus SI, you will get it as 7,740. So see, in the first question this value is only given as 4,200. okay, here you will have to find. Okay, so read the question very carefully and then answer. Again I tell you. Okay, now you proceed with the usual step. First you will consider the principal to be 100, right? 100 plus the interest for using for the remaining 3 years. Okay, so 3 years into 5% of 100, you will get it as 15% of 100, which is nothing but 15. So 100 plus 15 is 115. This we have already seen in first session. So those who have missed it, please do watch and come here, because that will give you more detailed explanation. Okay, next step, 100 plus for next 2 years you are using, so the interest is 5%, so 5 into 2%, totally 10% of 100, which is nothing but 10. So 100 plus 10, 110. For the third year, what you will do, same 5% for using for 1 more year, right? So 5 into 1, which is nothing but 5% of 100, it is 5. So 100 plus 5, it is 105. And finally fourth, since there is no more value, you will just have no interest, only the principal value 100. So on total your value would be 430. So when you consider your principal to be 100, your amount would be 430. Okay, now our question is 7,740 is your amount, right? So for principal 100, how much it would be, you will have to find. Okay, that is annual installment you will find. So you can equate it as 430, that is the assumed value, which is equal to 7,740. So for the principal 100, how much it would be? Okay, so if you cross multiply, you get the answer as 1,800. I hope you understood. You try to solve it by yourself, then you will get a clear idea on it. Okay. The next variety of question, a phone is available for rupees 2,500 cash or rupees 520 cash down payment, followed by 4 equal installments. If the rate of interest charged is 25% per annum, simple interest, calculate the monthly installment. Okay, so here our question is monthly installment. So read the question carefully. Okay, so how we will proceed, we will see. So 2,500 is our value, cash payment. Okay, in that your down payment is 520, so after which your total value is 1,980, which is nothing but your principal. Get my point? Yes. Now you will have to find the simple interest. So your principal is 1,980, then rate of interest is 25%, and monthly installment they have told, so it is 4 equal installment they have given, so 4 by 12. Okay, so please note this and be careful. If you miss it, you will go wrong with the calculation. It is monthly installment, so 4 by 12. Okay, you have to convert it into year. Okay, so you will get the value for simple interest, and then add the simple interest to year principal 1980. You will get the amount as 2145. Okay, now you have got the total amount. Go with the normal proceeding, but the only difference is, since it is monthly installment, you will have to convert it into years, right? So you will go with divided by 12 in every step. Okay, so in first divide it into 4 hundreds, 100, 100, 100, 100. Next, what you'll have to do, plus the interest rate for the next 3 years. 3 months. So 3 by 12. And the second step, 25 by 100 or 25% you can write for the next 2 months. So 2 by 12. And third step, it would be 25 by 100 into 1 by 12. And fourth step, there would be no interest charged. Okay. Now, if you see, since you have so many denominators that this cancellation, you will end up with decimal values that will quite be difficult for you to calculate. Okay, so better you'll go with the shortcut, that is take everything that is common. Okay, so what you'll do, you'll add everything, right, to find the total debt when our principal is 100. So like that, you just add 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100, which is 400, plus 25 by 100 you can take it as common, right? Similarly, 1 by 12 also you can take it as common. So 25 by 100 into 12 you can take it as common. The remaining would be 3 plus 2 plus 1 of 100, right? Now you go with the simplification. 100 and 100 gets cancelled, and 3 plus 2 plus 1 is nothing but 6. 6 and 12 cancels for 2 times. Okay, so you will end up with 400 plus 25 by 2. Okay, now take the LCM. It would be 800. 400 into 2, right? So 800 plus 25 by 2, which is equal to your total amount 2145, right? So 825 is equal to, taking 2 to right hand side, you will get it as 4290. So when your value is 825, the given value is 4290. So for your principal 100, how much it is, you will have to find. Simply cross multiply, you will get the value as 520. I hope you understood. Yes. Next question, find the amount of debt that will be discharged by 5 equal installments of rupees 200 each if the debt is due in 5 years at 5% per annum. So previously we have found the annual installment given the amount of debt. Here we will have to find the amount of debt. They have given it as 5 equal installment as rupees 200. So write 200 5 times. Okay. Then you, as usual, you know, for the remaining 4 years, 5% means 20% of 200, right? So 20% of 200 is nothing but 40. So 200 plus 40, 240. In the second step, 200 plus for the remaining 3 years into 5% of 200, which is nothing but 15%. 15% of 200 is nothing but 30. So 200 plus 30, 230, right? Next, see, for the remaining 2 years, same 5%. So 5 2s are 10. 10% of 200 is nothing but 20. So adding 20 to 200, you get it as 220. Then the next, for the remaining 1 year, 5% of 200, which is 5% of 200 is nothing but 10 rupees. So 200 plus 10, 210. And for the last year, there won't be any interest charge because you'll end up paying your total value. Okay, so add everything together. Our question is amount of debt we'll have to find. So adding everything, you'll get it as 1100. Okay, we'll have one more question similar to it. You try to solve it by yourself. Anyway, I'll explain you. Okay, so they have given us, find the amount of debt that will be discharged by equal installments of rupees 150 each if the debt is due in 4 years at 2% per annum. So split it into 4 150s. 150, 150, 150, 150. In first year, you will have to pay 150 and the interest for the remaining 3 years. So 3 into 2%, which is 6%. 6% of 150 is nothing but 9. So 150 plus 9 is 159. Okay. Then for the second step, 150 plus the interest for the remaining 2 years is 2%. So 2 into 2 is 4%. 4% of 150 is nothing but 6 rupees. So 150 plus 6 is 156. Okay. Third step is 150 plus the remaining interest for 1 year. Okay, 1 into 2%, which is 2% of 150. You'll get it as 3 rupees. So 150 plus 3 is 153, and finally 150 and no interest charge. So just write it as 150. Add it up, you'll get it as 618. That is your principal plus interest charge for the remaining years. So that is nothing but your amount of debt. I hope you understood all the 4 questions that we have discussed in this session. So thank you for watching this video. Try working out more problems. Okay, then only remember these concepts. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Thank you for the support given. Keep supporting. So thank you.